नमस्कार. आयुष भारत डॉक्टर असोसिएशन मध्ये सर्व सदस्य आणि पदाधिकाऱ्यांचं मनपूर्वक हार्दिक स्वागत. आज आम्ही या ठिकाणी CMSCD डिप्लोमा होल्डर्स वरती जे काय हॅरेसमेंट होत आहे, त्यांच्यावरती जे काय बोगस डॉक्टर म्हणून कारवाई होत आहे, त्या संदर्भामध्ये महाराष्ट्रातील प्रत्येक जिल्ह्याचे जिल्हा अधिकारी, जिल्हा आरोग्य अधिकारी तसेच पोलीस अधीक्षक साहेब यांच्या कार्यालयामध्ये प्रत्यक्ष जाऊन आम्ही काही न्यायालयाचे आदेश तसेच केंद्र सरकार, राज्य शासनाचे आदेश सादर करणार आहोत की जेणेकरून आपल्या आयुष भारत डॉक्टर असोसिएशनमध्ये CMSCD डिप्लोमा होल्डर जे सदस्य आहेत, या सदस्यांना कोणत्याही प्रकारची हॅरेसमेंट झाली नाही पाहिजे, त्यांच्यावरती कोणत्याही प्रकारची बोगस डॉक्टर म्हणून कारवाई नाही झाली पाहिजे. या संदर्भामध्ये प्रत्येक जिल्ह्याच्या जिल्हा आरोग्य अधिकारी, जिल्हा पोलीस अधीक्षक आणि जिल्हाधिकाऱ्यांना आम्ही भेटून ही कागदपत्रे सादर करत आहोत. तर या आदेशांमधली काही माहिती आहे, ती माहिती या ठिकाणी मी तुम्हाला वाचून दाखवत आहे. The right of practitioners under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India have been established by Honorable High Court. The registered practitioner is authorized to practice in 99 allopathy drugs, holding CMSCD diploma certificate. The practitioners who shall be enrolled in the register shall be entitled to practice in 99 allopathy drugs as a qualified physician and certified the sickness of a patient. The registered person will be declared as a qualified person to practice in 94 allopathy drugs and declared by the Honorable High Court and shall not be convicted or punished by any government in India. In do so is she is proved to be man of good moral conduct and honest, discharging his duties. True it is that Article 19(1)(g) of Constitution of India gives right to all citizens to practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade or business. In the view of the aforesaid, all the consequential action taken by the respondents are also illegal and ultra vires. They have right to practice and impact education in community medical service and essential drugs. For want certain clarification, Delhi Government, Union of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has filed an appeal SLP in the Honorable Supreme Court of India challenging the order of Honorable Delhi High Court. Upon hearing on the division bench of Honorable Supreme Court comprising Mr. Justice Anand, Chief Justice of India, Honorable Justice R.C. Lahoti and Honorable Justice Shivraj V. Patil have rejected the plea of the Honorable Court comprising Justice Rajendra Baba and B.N. Agrawal has declined the uncertain the matter and SLP filed by the petitioners, Delhi Government and Union of India has been dismissed. The Honorable Delhi High Court, by which it has ordered that any legally constituted may issue diploma certificates and holder of such diploma certificates are entitled to practice the particular faculties covered by the said diploma certificates. CMS diploma holders can prescribe medicine and no harassment to CMS diploma holders. Latest GR contents of the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court of India. In the judgment giving thousands of diploma holders in community medical service the right of prescribed medicine, the Supreme Court has ruled that it is unjust to allow them only to treat rural population without the constitutional right to prescribe medicine or issue medical certificate. Setting aside a Calcutta High Court judgment, a bench comprising Justice R. Rajendra Bora and Justice Shivraj V. Patil said the right to prescribe drug of a system of medicine would be synonymous with the right of practice that system of medicine would be synonymous with the right of practice that system of medicines. In West Bengal, the CMS diploma holders were employed to man the health centers and subsidiary health centers and allowed to treat common diseases among rural population. However, the diploma holders unsuccessfully challenged the government decision not to allow them to prescribe medicine or issue certificates, including death certificates, on the ground that once they had the right to treat, the right to issue prescription was consequently upholding their argument. The bench said the appellants were validity holding the right to treat certain diseases, so that precautions should be taken such that there is no injustice done on such practitioners and the High Court is not insulted. So all the related officers should study the above information before taking any action, and so all the practitioners passed out from our institute should be deleted their names from the list of bogus doctors. This is our kind request. Thank you.